You do? Well, well. Well, Haven, you're not talking to me. I actually have this as a movie going on right now. And everyone's cooperating beautifully. Does that taste good, Mason? What are you doing, bud?
Lift the chair.
Yeah. Oh my.
Are you eating your goldfish? They're good. You're just swimming around
Can
in
you
your
see
cup?
that? I'm taking a picture, a movie. Do you want to talk to it?
Uh-uh.
Yum, yum.
No. If you want to sing to it, I'll take a picture of you singing. No.
No.
Mama.
That was good. You want some? Are you done?
Oh, look at you smiling big. Are you happy, Caleb?
Crumbs on the floor.
Those are good fish, aren't
Better
they?
than me? Do you like goldfish? Is that a no or a yes? You want to sit here?